A fascinating look at unbelievable animals that save other animals will leave you in wonder of wildlife. Nature can be brutal. Animals can be deadly even for humans, but many animals, despite of differences, also manage to show kindness in the worst time of the others, and some in struggle for survival of the fittest. If you want to know more about these, then I suggest you keep on watching. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the 10 unbelievable animals that saved other animals. Like humans, many animals have been observed displaying altruistic behaviors. Altruism essentially means selfless concern for the well-being of others. Sometimes animals put themselves in harm's way to help a creature in need, and sometimes they simply provide comfort and attention when another animal is stressed out. Although we may not always understand exactly what motivates animals to behave altruistically, these behaviors demonstrate the complexities of animal behavior and cognition. They also make for inspiring and heartwarming act of kindness. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Dog's keen nose saves baby kangaroo after accident. Rex, a 10-year-old cross between a German short-haired and a wire-haired pointer, was out for a walk with his owner, Leonie Allen, when the two passed a kangaroo who had been hit by a car. Thanks to Rex and his astute nose, however, the baby Joey that was hidden inside the mother's pouch was saved. Says Allen, he started pointing. I was worried he'd found a snake and called him back, but when he returned, he dropped the Joey at my feet. Rex was very tender with the baby, and the two even started cuddling together. The baby was cared for at the Jiralinga Wildlife Sanctuary and then released into the wild when it was 18 months old. But before we move on to the next one, make sure to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now, or else these animals will storm you and attack you. Moving on to number 2, geese protect piglet from being bullied by other pigs. If you've ever felt like the odd one out in your friend group, then you can probably sympathize with this piglet. Naldal the piglet was weak since birth and often bullied by the older pigs. Luckily, Naldal found solace and safety in another, more unlikely group, a gaggle of geese. These geese surround a small piglet and honk and peck at other pigs who threaten and bullies their friend. Although the piglet has trouble keeping up with the geese sometimes, they always wait for him patiently. They even groom Naldal and let him eat out of their food bowl. Next up, number 3, monkey adopts stray puppy. Unlikely animal bonds can be some of the most amazing things to see in nature, and that's exactly what has formed between a monkey and a puppy in Rhode, India. Stray puppies are hard for anyone to resist, and this rhesus macaque monkey is no exception. The pair bonded on the streets of Rhode when the monkey took the puppy into his care. Everyone in the neighborhood loves this strange relationship and wonders how the monkey adopted the young dog. He even nurses the puppy as if it is his own baby and spends a lot of his time caring for him. The monkey shows various protective behaviors towards the small puppy, like he grooms him, defends him from other dogs, and even lets him eat first. The puppy is always being touted around by his caring monkey, and the two have made quite the spectacle in Rhode. Touched by the bond between the monkey and the pup, the locals decided to help them by leaving food out for them every day. Number 4. Bear saves crow from drowning. A bear at the Budapest Zoo noticed a crow drowning in the habitats surrounding water. The bear peered over the edge and gazed curiously at the bird frantically flapping for help. The two animals make eye contact as the crow calls out. The bear then reaches a robust paw into the water and helps the bird out onto the edge. After rescuing this crow, the bear goes back to eating and meandering around, paying no mind to the crow. Seemingly, this bear could sense the distress of the crow and acted out of a pure desire to help the animal. Much like in the case of the orangutan saving the baby bird, the complex, compassionate nature of animals is enough reason to not want them to suffer in small, artificial enclosures for people to gawk at. Number 5. Piglet helps comfort cat who has seizures. Sriracha, the kitten, suffers from a rare neurological disorder that causes balance problems and seizures. Some days she'll experience particularly bad seizures that will leave her feeling off of a couple of days. During one of these periods, Batman, the orphan piglet, became attached to the kitten. Whenever Batman senses Sriracha is having a rough time, he cuddles up to her and keeps her company. While Sriracha might not even have the normal cat experience, she has something much greater: the friendship of Batman. We all need a friend as intuitive and comforting as Batman. The best part is, Batman is likely not an anomaly. Pigs are known to be incredibly intelligent and social creatures. Number 6. Tortoise saves baby hippo from new kid blues. When Owen, the orphan baby hippopotamus, was first rescued, he was shy and nervous. However, when he saw the 130-year-old tortoise named MZ, he immediately knew he'd made a friend. Although at first MZ was hesitant to accept the love of this exuberant little hippo, the two are inseparable now. While hippos are naturally very social animals, tortoises typically like to stay by themselves. However, MZ was not immune to Owen's charm. Ecologist Paula Kahumbu claims that Owen follows MZ around like he would his mother, and the two swim, eat, and sleep together. MZ even extends his neck to receive kisses from Owen. Number 7. Hippo rescues wild beast and baby zebra from strong currents. This extraordinarily helpful hippo in Tanzania's Mara River saved both a wild beast and a baby zebra from being swept away by the strong currents as they began their migration to the southern Serengeti. The hippo would position himself downriver of the animals and nudge them along to the other side. After the hippo helped the baby zebra make her way to a little river island, he waited until she made it across safely. The hippo got out of the water and came up behind the foal and started nudging it and gently biting it on its backside as if to say, "Come on, man, don't give up now. You can do it. Just a hop, skip, and a jump and you're there," Tom Yule said, an expedition guide who filmed the ordeal. Number 8. Whales save seals from orcas. Some of the most consistent and well-documented cases of animal altruism comes from humpback whales defending smaller animals against orcas. These whales have been known to fight orcas to allow the prey to escape, and sometimes humpbacks will even hide the prey in their fins and carry the creatures to safety. In any case, the whale doesn't get much out of the exchange. In fact, they put themselves in danger trying to defend these other aquatic animals. The exact reasons for this altruistic behavior are unclear, but this evidence supports a larger body of ongoing psychological research surrounding animal altruism. Number 9. Cat comforts anxious dog. Joel, the rescue dog, was always a bit anxious and clung to her human Brina Eckert. When Eckert adopted Calvin the cat, she quickly realized the two made a great pair, but she did not realize the full extent of their bond until she installed cameras in her home to monitor what her companions got up to during her 8-hour workday. Joel became anxious anytime Eckert left for work, but the videos revealed that each day Calvin routinely climbed up on the couch next to Jewel to snuggle her and mollify her anxieties. Even more remarkably, this does not last for a few minutes or hours, but the duration of Eckert's workday. Calvin is the type of perceptive, comforting friend we all need. And lastly, orangutan saves baby bird from drowning. At a zoo in Dublin, onlookers looked in awe and filmed an orangutan engaging in unusual behavior. Jorong, the orangutan, noticed a baby bird who was struggling to stay afloat in the water and miraculously stepped in to lend a hand. Carefully, he used a leaf to give the bird something to grasp onto for leverage. Then he gently picked up the bird and guided the tiny creature to the shore. As the cheers from the onlooking crowd signify, this behavior is astounding to watch. Because orangutans and many other animals are such complex beings, we should think twice before confining them in cages to be made a spectacle. These videos are simply heartwarming and sweet tales of animals helping each other. They actually elucidate the complexities of animal behavior. We still know so little about why animals behave in various ways. This uncertainty causes many of us to rely on anthropomorphizing wild animals or even our companion animals at home. While tearing up watching animals caring for each other, which of these videos is your favorite? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell down below for more upcoming videos like this one. Thanks for watching.